Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Kohls credit card account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Kohls credit card login. And over here, click on the first option, Kohls credit card, or you can type in creditcard.kohls.com. It will take you to the interface where you can log in into your Kohls credit card, and here it says customer login reminder. You have a separate username and password to log in into Kohls.com. Over here, enter the username of your Kohls credit card, and over here enter the password. To confirm it, you can click on this I button over here. Once you do that, click on the login button. You should be able to log in into your Kohls credit card account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can click over here forgot username and forgot password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account, you can click on register to create. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.